we have the TNT world, guys. And anytime soon, we're gonna click this lever and all of this can explode. Lagyan pa natin ka. Go.
Ito.
Bakit? Lagyan ko pa nga, guys. I spent years over this. Real 5 years. Sabugin ko na?
Gay.
Dito ka.
Dito ako sa taas mo ko.
Saan ka?
Ito.
Kita ba?
Buo.
1, 2, 3. Ano nangyari? Hindi ka, ano naglari sa map? Oh! No! My PC!
Ay, wala. Lag sa'yo na eh.
Tumateleport. Guys, tumateleport to. Uy. Ayun na. Tumitigil na. Tumateleport na sila?
Hindi. Ba't sa'yo?
Hindi ka gumagana. Sa'yo.
Luwag lang.
Ano naglalari, guys? Ano naglalari?
Umuulan na ng TNT.
Ano naglalari? Makapag-play pa kaya ako vlogs? Makapag-play pa kaya ako vlogs?
Talag.
Talaga. Yun. Di ba ako nagawa? No, my PC!
Diyan mo.
My PC doon! My PC! My PC! Ano naglalari?
Sira na yan.
My PC!
Sabi na ko.
My PC! No, my PC! No! No, my PC!
Mechanical fairy flew out and headed straight for the top student. He scanned the answers and reported
My
back.
PC!
He received the signal at once and began copying the answers inside the The next second, the fairy was squashed flat. He looked up, confused, only to find
May delay.
had slammed him.
May
Thinking he was
delay.
flying, but he didn't panic at all. He still had two more. He released them both immediately. The top student got annoyed, waving his hands nonstop to chase away the flies. Even
Teleport lang ito mo. Sasabog. Ayun. Oh, my PC!
Oh, there.
No! No way! No way. Paano pa kaya kung nisobra ko yung TNT sa ganito? Until I broke the world. Yan na. Uy na.
No?
Uy na. Okay. Kaka-rate na ako. Di na ako makalib. Yo, hindi ako makalib. Yo, hindi ako makalib.
Ako rin naman.